Did you know that the AI art market is projected to grow by over 35% annually, reaching millions in revenue by 2030? Have you ever admired a stunning piece of art, only to discover it was entirely created by an algorithm? Welcome to AI Joyful Discoveries. Today we'll dive deep into AI art, showcasing not only how machines mimic famous artists, but also how modern tools are helping us create breathtaking visuals. And wait until you see some artworks that fooled the world. AI isn't just a tech buzzword anymore. It's reshaping industries, including the art world. From blending traditional artistry with futuristic designs to generating entirely original works, creative AI is sparking a revolution. In this video, we'll explore how AI tools are transforming art creation, showcase examples of mimicked masterpieces, and even uncover some famous artworks that people didn't know were AI generated. By the end, you'll see how accessible and transformative AI art creation has become. Art is a reflection of human creativity, but the challenge lies in originality. How do you create something completely unique when so much has already been done? This is where AI steps in. These tools not only enhance human creativity, but often surpass what we think is possible. The question is, are we just teaching machines to copy, or are they becoming true artists in their own right? And if a machine can create a masterpiece, how do we value that compared to traditional art? Let's dive into the tools and technologies behind AI art creation, and I'll show you how you can use them too. 1. Tools for AI art creation. DALL 3 by OpenAI. This tool generates high-quality, detailed images from text prompts. Dalle has made AI art accessible to anyone with a creative idea. For example, you can type a futuristic cityscape in the style of Salvador Dali, and it will create a surreal, dreamlike artwork. Grok, developed by X.AI, offering both text and image generation capabilities. Users can create images from text prompts directly within the X app. Using models like Grok 2 and Grok 2 Mini, I've effortlessly created images from text prompts, leveraging advanced technology like Black Forest Labs' Flux.1 model. This seamless integration enables the swift generation and sharing of visual content. Stable Diffusion is a latent text-to-image diffusion model capable of generating photorealistic images. Given any text input, cultivates autonomous freedom to produce incredible imagery, empowers billions of people to create stunning art within seconds. Many digital artists use Stable Diffusion to create professional-grade art for projects, including concept art and marketing visuals. Runway ML, this tool focuses on enabling creativity for everyone. You can create AI-generated animations, edit videos, or transform images in real time using its intuitive interface. It's perfect for artists experimenting with AI. Runway AI Video Generator. Make AI video with Runway. Unleash your creativity. A new frontier for high-fidelity, controllable video generation. See a featured video from Runway, a wide symmetrical shot of a painting in a museum. The camera zooms in close to the painting. When you type, an adorable corgi confidently stands on a surfboard wearing swimming goggles and a life vest as it cruises along the turquoise tropical waters near a lush tropical island. 3D digital render art style, that's the video created. Deepart.io. Deepart specializes in style transfer. It is an algorithm that can generate a digital painting from any photo. Upload a photo and choose an art style, like Van Gogh's swirls or Picasso's cubism, and it transforms your image into a masterpiece. ArtBreeder. This platform allows you to create surreal portraits and landscapes by tweaking parameters like color, style, and mood. It's great for artists building on AI-generated ideas. Create characters, artworks, and more with multiple tools, powered like never before. 2 famous AI-generated artworks that fooled the world. Edmond de Belamy, 2018. This AI-generated portrait, created by a French collective called Obvious, sold at Christie's for over $430,000. Many didn't realize it was the product of a generative adversarial network, GAN. The blend of classic portraiture with subtle distortions made it a hit. The next Rembrandt. Using deep learning, this project analyzed Rembrandt's work to create a brand new painting in his style. The result? A masterpiece so accurate that many viewers couldn't distinguish it from the real thing. See the stunning portrait of men in 17th century attire, indistinguishable from the works of the Dutch master. This innovative project highlights how AI can not only preserve historical art styles, but also extend their legacy, raising fascinating questions about authorship and creativity in the digital age. AI-generated fake Renaissance art in 2021 again created Renaissance painting fooled art critics during a digital exhibition. Its details were so intricate that it was mistaken for a forgotten classic. 3. How AI mimics artists. AI tools like GANs, generative adversarial networks, neural style transfer don't just copy, they innovate. GANs work by having two algorithms. One generates the image and the other critiques it, refining the output until it looks realistic. Neural style transfer takes the essence of an artist's style, like Van Gogh's bold brushstrokes, and applies it to another image, blending old and new in fascinating ways. Beyond imitation, AI excels at creating concepts no human has imagined. Imagine a cyberpunk city blended with medieval castles, or a field of flowers growing under an alien sun. AI tools like DALL and Stable Diffusion make these visions a reality. These are artworks no human has ever seen or painted before. Moreover, AI-powered platforms like Runway ML allow real-time video editing and visual effects, making sophisticated visual storytelling more accessible to filmmakers and designers. Even in architecture and fashion, AI is helping design intricate patterns and layouts that would take humans hours to conceptualize. AI not only accelerates the creative process, but also inspires entirely new visual genres by offering perspectives and combinations humans might not consider. From 3D sculptures to immersive AR/VR experiences, AI is evolving visual creation, turning imagination into reality in unprecedented ways. So we've explored the cutting-edge tools making AI art accessible to everyone, seen examples of how AI mimics legendary artists, and uncovered some stunning works that fooled even the experts. AI is reshaping art, not by replacing human creativity, but by expanding its boundaries. Whether mimicking a master or generating the unimaginable, AI proves that art is no longer confined to human hand. It's now a collaboration between man and machine. What do you think about AI art? Can a machine truly capture the soul of creativity? Or is it simply a tool for humans to express their vision? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the intersection of technology and creativity. Who knows? You might create the next viral masterpiece. Also, check out the links in the description to try out some of these AI tools for yourself.